Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share the ideas of crochet work with you. Crochet is more than just a hobby. It's a creative outlet that lets you make stunning piece of art with yarn. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crochet enthusiast, the video is packed with ideas to inspire your next project. Let's dive into the world of crochet. Crochet isn't just for blanket, it is a fashion statement. Create trendy crop tops, cardigans or summer dresses using vibrant or pastel yarns. For winter, apply for chunky scarves, beanies and mitten in cozy textures. Adding unique pattern or embellishment can make each piece of a kind. Transform your home with crochet, from intricate table runners and coasters to pillow covers and wall hanging. Crochet adds a handmade charm to any room. For a modern twist, try crocheting storage basket or plant hanger using durable cotton yarn. Stand out with personalized crochet accessories. Make colorful tote bag, handbags or backpack with interesting pattern. Add a playful touch to your wardrobe with crochet earring, necklace and hair scrunchies. These pieces are also great for gifting. Crochet something special for the little one in your life. Create soft toys like teddy bears or bunnies using amigurumi technique. Baby booties, bonnets, and blankets are not only practical but also heartfelt gifts that families will cherish. Celebrate holiday and season with themed crochet project. Make pumpkin for autumn decor, snowflake for Christmas ornament, or heart-shaped coaster for Valentine's Day. These are projects that are a fun way to stay inspired throughout the year. Crochet can also be sustainable. Craft reusable items like grocery bag, dishcloth, and produce bag to reduce waste. Use natural or recycled yarn to make these projects eco-friendly and stylish. For experienced crocheter, challenge yourself with intricate projects like lace shawl, detailed mandalas, or large Afghan blanket, etc. Hi everyone, welcome back.